Every great camel leather shoe begins with the selection of the finest camels. Only healthy, mature animals with premium hides are chosen to ensure top-quality leather that will last for years. Experienced inspectors carefully examine each camel, focusing on the hide's texture, thickness, and overall quality. This step ensures that only the best hides move forward in the production process. Once selected, camels are tagged and prepared for transport to the factory, where the transformation from raw hide to luxurious leather begins. This careful selection process lays the foundation for creating high-quality camel leather shoes, ensuring every step that follows meets the highest standards of craftsmanship.
After careful selection, the camels are transported to a certified processing facility. Here, strict regulations and professional standards ensure that every step is carried out safely, hygienically, and responsibly. Upon arrival, the animals are placed in holding areas where trained workers guide them calmly through controlled pathways. These specially designed corridors ensure smooth movement while minimizing stress. Before processing begins, veterinary inspectors perform a final health and safety check. This step guarantees that only healthy animals enter the production line and that strict hygiene standards are maintained. Inside the processing hall, workers prepare the equipment and sanitize the workspace. Maintaining a sterile environment is critical for both safety and product quality. Once preparations are complete, the facility is ready for the next stage of production. Soon, the hides will be carefully removed and sent to the leather processing factory, where they will begin their transformation into durable camel leather. This marks the beginning of the journey from raw hide to premium leather, the essential material that would later become high-quality camel leather shoes. With the preparation complete, the next critical step begins: the careful removal of the camel hide. This stage requires skilled workers and precise techniques to ensure the leather remains undamaged. Using sharp professional tools, experienced workers make controlled cuts along specific lines. The goal is to remove the hide smoothly while protecting its natural structure. In modern facilities, overhead conveyor systems help move the animal through different workstations. At each station, skilled workers continue the hide removal process step by step. Each movement must be precise. Even a small mistake can damage the hide and reduce its quality for leather production. Once the hide is completely removed, it is immediately transferred to the cleaning section. At this stage, it is still raw and contains dirt, blood, and natural oils that must be removed. From here, the hides begin their journey through a series of advanced industrial processes that will gradually transform them into durable camel leather. The journey of leather continues here. At this stage, the hides are still raw. They carry dirt, blood, and natural residues from the previous process. Strong streams of clean water wash over the surface. Slowly, the dirt and loose particles begin to disappear. Next, skilled workers remove the remaining fat and small pieces of tissue. This step helps prepare the hide for the chemical treatments that will follow. The hides are then placed inside large rotating drums. Water and cleaning solutions gently move through the fibers. After washing, every hide is inspected once again. Only properly cleaned hides move forward to the next stage. Now the hides are ready. The next step will protect them from decay and prepare them for transport. The journey of leather continues here. At this stage, the hides are still raw. They carry dirt, blood, and natural residues from the previous process. Strong streams of clean water wash over the surface. Slowly, the dirt and loose particles begin to disappear. Next, skilled workers remove the remaining fat and small pieces of tissue. This step helps prepare the hide for the chemical treatments that will follow. The hides are then placed inside large rotating drums. Water and cleaning solutions gently move through the fibers. After washing, every hide is inspected once again. Only properly cleaned hides move forward to the next stage. Now the hides are ready. The next step will protect them from decay and prepare them for transport.
After washing, the hides must be protected. Fresh hides can spoil quickly if they are not preserved in time. To stop bacteria and moisture, a heavy layer of salt is applied. Salt slowly draws out the remaining water from the hide. Workers carefully press the salt into every part of the hide. This ensures that the preservation process works evenly. Once covered with salt, the hides are folded and stacked together. Here, they will rest for several hours, sometimes even days. During this time, the salt continues to remove moisture. This simple process protects the hides and keeps them stable for transport. When the preservation is complete, the hides are ready to travel. Their next destination is the leather tannery, where real leather production will begin.
The preserved hides are now ready to leave the storage facility. Their journey continues toward the tannery, the place where leather is created. Each pallet is carefully loaded onto transport trucks. Proper handling is important to keep the hides safe during the journey. The trucks travel many kilometers across highways and open landscapes, carrying the raw hides toward specialized leather factories. After hours of travel, the shipment finally arrives at the tannery. This is where science and craftsmanship come together. One by one, the pallets are unloaded and moved into the processing area. Soon, the hides will begin their transformation into strong, durable leather. The real leather-making process begins here, and the first step is soaking the hides to bring them back to life. After arriving at the tannery, the hides begin their first major treatment. This stage is known as soaking. The hides were preserved with large amounts of salt. Now that salt must be removed before further processing can begin. The drums fill with fresh water. Slowly, the dry hides begin to absorb moisture once again. As the drums rotate, the hides move gently through the water. This motion helps wash away salt, dirt, and other remaining impurities. After several hours, the hides become soft and flexible again. Workers carefully inspect them to make sure the soaking is complete. Once the soaking process is finished, the hides are ready for the next important treatment, a chemical step that prepares the leather for hair removal.